S&P 500 pulls back slightly in early hours. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor, XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The S&P 500 has pulled back just a bit in the early hours on Friday, only to turn around and show signs of life. One of the biggest uh, reasons for this really would have been the idea that G7 countries have released a statement threatening Chinese banks that deal with Russia. That's an interesting way to go about trying to enforce a sanction that really hasn't been enforced to begin with. The Chinese will do what the Chinese want to do, and I think most people are aware of that. With this being the case, we're already starting to see a little bit of a recovery, and the growth, of course, is in Asia. It's not in Europe, so nobody really cares. The United States, of course, would be a big market to lose for a lot of Chinese banks, but truthfully, they don't really use the US system very often. So this is more of a paper tiger statement. At this point, I don't see anything to keep the S&P 500 from going higher. And short-term dips like this end up being buying opportunities for those who are willing to take them. That doesn't mean that we go straight up in the air, but I still believe that we are going to go looking towards the 5,500 level. Underneath, we have the 5,300 level offering significant support, and of course an area where there would be a lot of options barriers placed. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.